Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics and has many incredible health benefits. But many of us don't know the best way to use garlic to recover from various diseases and to obtain its many benefits. The golden health benefits that you'll reap for your body with garlic will change your life for the better, provided that it's taken in the right way, as we'll mention in this video. Before we start, if you have taken garlic press, we'd like to know the number of people interested in this type of video. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. One of the wonderful features of garlic is that it's a powerful antibiotic that can be used for various infections, whether bacterial, viral, or even fungal. It's known that there's no other antibiotic that has this feature. Some antibiotics are used only for bacterial infections. Others are used only for fungal infections, and others are used only for viral infections. Each of them can't be used for different types of infections simultaneously. But garlic can deal with the 3 types of microorganisms with maximum strength and effectiveness. The best way to take garlic is raw. Garlic is an excellent source of allicin, responsible for garlic's distinct taste and aroma. It is a compound containing sulfur, which is associated with many health benefits for the body. Studies show that cooking garlic significantly reduces the content of allicin and most of the active substances in it, and therefore the nutritional value of garlic decreases. So, we will show you the 2 best ways to take raw garlic in order to obtain the highest nutritional value and many health benefits. First, it's taken by swallowing a whole clove of garlic. It's preferable to swallow it on an empty stomach, as garlic doesn't affect the stomach negatively in this case. This is important for those who suffer from pain or acidity in the stomach because the garlic clove, when swallowed, remains as it's complete until it reaches the intestines. And since the intestine is an alkaline medium, garlic disintegrates and releases active substances, especially allicin. And here begins the actual effectiveness of garlic, as it acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-worm. The allicin substance acts as an antiseptic for the intestines for those who have a problem with intestinal worms in all stages, as well as for those who have infections in the colon. Several studies show that garlic helps reduce inflammation and is an antioxidant. Thus, garlic enhances the function of the hormone cortisone, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Allicin also helps boost immune system function and lower levels of bad cholesterol. Second, the benefits of garlic when we take it mashed or chewed. What happens when you eat crushed or chewed garlic? When we eat garlic crushed or chewed, the first thing we notice is the emission of the distinctive garlic smell due to the disintegration of allicin, and thus its usefulness is significantly reduced. But fortunately, it brings out many organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that are related to stimulating blood circulation in the heart, as well as regulating the level of cholesterol and lowering triglycerides. Therefore, we must determine how to take garlic to obtain the required health benefits. When we swallow whole garlic cloves, we won't get the full benefits for the heart and arteries and burn fat completely. But as we mentioned, it has other significant advantages: anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and lowering cholesterol. When we eat garlic mashed or chewed, many sulfur compounds and antioxidants are emitted, stimulating blood circulation in the heart, reduce triglycerides, and also clean the liver of fat. Therefore, mashed garlic is considered a burner of the fat accumulated in the organs, especially the liver. Thus, the 2 methods must be combined, namely swallowing a clove of garlic as a whole in the morning on an empty stomach, then eating mashed or chopped garlic with food during lunch, and preferably drinking plenty of water with it. Thus, we have obtained most of the health benefits of garlic to form an integrated system for health and wellness. Dear viewers, this is all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and for people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.